Hey Balance Seekers, Christine Farfan PT here to give you a quick fix for back pain. Doesn't really matter what the origin of your back pain is. There's some irritable nerve roots or it wouldn't be hurting you. And so this is to help treat your myofascial tissue, which is like the saran wrap, the myofascial onesie in your whole body. So you're gonna lie on your back with your knees up, parallel together, feet around under your knees. Your balls are going to be fist width. You're going to lift up. You're going to place them as if you put your hands on your hips. Wherever that thumb ends up is where you're going to place the balls. First thing you're going to do is settle in. Bring feet together, knees together. Let yourself rotate. Notice my left shoulder blade is sticking to the ground. Now I'm going to rotate the other way. And that really gets in this thick quadratus lumborum tissue there, which is tricky to get into. So right where those two rows of muscles come down on either side. Now we're going to get it a little deeper. We're going to bring this knee up, almost like you're going towards a happy baby. Bring this knee up, but you're just chilling. You're just driving your knees with this. So as I bring this up, oh boy, and then rotate, that really penetrates. Holy cannoli. So this, pretty much anyone with any sort of back pain, this is right above your pelvis and below your rib cage in that really thick tissue. Breathing in space. Breathing out tension. Play around, change the position of your knees, bring them up. Oh my God. Make all kinds of new discoveries. Once you find a spot that's tender for you, breathe in and then let yourself try to sink into it. If you can't sink into it and you're biting the bullet too much, it's too much. Don't be so aggressive. So one foot down, other foot down, and there you go. Oh man, your low back's gonna love you. You can also put it under here, okay? And just roll around on the glute and sit bone. Give it a try. This Balance Ball Sak is a tool for you to use to know what's going on with yourself and to put something into action and feel better.